Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to unbox my April's Boxy charm box and I just got that in the mail today. So let's get started. So this is my April Boxy charm right here. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm sitting a bit farther so I can show you the box. Obviously it comes with the monthly little paper that explains to you what kinds of products you got. So first thing that I have here is a palette. This is how it looks. This is the back. Let's open it up. This is the Natasha Denona palette. It has 5 different colors. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to start off with the beige and end with this one. So let's go ahead and swatch it. The beige is nearly the same color as my skin tone. You can't even tell that I've swatched it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it again and show you guys. It's like, I don't know, it's not really blending that well, but that part, it was kind of sticking onto my skin. I don't know why, but it just was. Let's go ahead and swatch these 2 colors right here. Put it in the back of my hand right here. Wow. That was nice. Moving on to this one right here. Wow. It's a nice pigmentation. And then I'm going to swatch this one right here. Woo! I really like this one. This one's really pretty. It's like a silver chrome, very nice metallic color. Overall, you guys, my favorite shade out of this whole entire palette is going to be this last one here, because the swatch was super nice. It was like a metallic chrome kind of shade. It's super pretty. So that was my favorite. Moving on to the next product, I have here a primer. This is a Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, and it is by Touch in Soul. So this is how it looks like. It's just very ordinary. It looks very pretty though. The packaging is pretty normal. So let's go ahead and open this. Now this packaging is really fancy. It's super pretty and cute and girly. I really like it. Let's open this up and try it, see how it is. This is covered because it's a new product, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Oh my god, you guys, this primer looks like, I don't know, to me it looks like plastic. It's like really, I don't know, like a unique type of primer. I never tried a primer like this. It smells like rose. It smells like roses. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right here so you guys can see the consistency. Wow, you guys, this is literally mattifying my hand. My hand is feeling really cold, like where I've applied the primer, it feels super cold. I think that has something to do with like an ingredient in here, but I think this formula is super nice. It mattifies your area. It literally makes, I don't know, it's like, it's not sticky, but I guess it's like grabbing on to everything that I, you know, apply it on. So I really like that. It's nice. All right, guys, moving on to the next product. Here I have a vitamin C face mask. This revitalizes and brightens your complexion. Guys, this is the packaging. This is supposed to be a clay mask. You're supposed to apply it on your face. It's a pump. It looks super unique. I really love it. I can't wait to try it. But you're supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. I think this is very interesting because I've never seen a clay mask in this form of packaging before, so I'm very excited to use it. So this mask claims to restore youthful tone and texture. It also improves radiance and clarity of your skin, and it fights the sign of aging caused by the UV rays of the sun, and promotes healing and repair on your skin, and it also draws impurities, brightens, and it smooths and firms your skin. So I think this is very good because it claims to do a lot of things to your face that's very amazing. You guys, the final product in this BoxyCharm was some tweezers. Now these tweezers, I already have a whole collection of tweezers just because they're kind of addicting to collect, but these tweezers are super like long. I have never seen a tweezer this long before. It's very like, I guess you can reach, hard to reach little eyebrows or little hairs that you need to plug. It claims to isolate a single hair. Let's open this up. I'm telling you guys, these tweezers are super long. Let me show you a normal tweezer and let me show you these tweezers. Now let me show you guys a comparison. So this is a normal tweezer and these are the tweezers from the Boxy charm. So look at the difference. Look at how long these two are compared to this one. This is normal size and this is huge. It's gigantic. All right, you guys, that was all the products that I've received in this month's Boxy charm, the month of April, and I can't wait to try these products out. I really love the mask and I really love the primer. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I hope you guys liked it. If you did like it, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. Till my next video, everyone, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Thank you so much. Goodbye.